Hello gays, welcome to AI Vision Official Pro. Today, we are not just talking about technology, we are talking about your financial future. In this video, I will show you exactly how artificial intelligence is changing the game of online earning. Whether you are a student, a freelancer, or a business owner, these steps will help you build a sustainable income stream using AI. Content creation and faceless channels. The first and most powerful way to earn is through AI-driven content creation. You no longer need expensive cameras or a studio. With tools like ChatGPT for scripting, ElevenLabs for high-quality voiceovers, and Midjourney for visuals, you can launch a faceless YouTube channel. These channels are generating thousands of dollars monthly by providing educational and entertaining content without ever showing a face. Point 2. An AI-powered freelancing. Point number 2, freelancing. Traditional freelancing is slow, but an AI freelancing is lightning fast. You can offer services like an AI-generated logo design, automated copywriting, or even SEO-optimized blog posts. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are now flooded with clients looking for experts who can use AI to deliver high-quality work in half the time. Business automation services. Next, we have business automation. Many small businesses are struggling with manual tasks. You can earn by setting up AI chatbots for their websites or automating their email marketing using tools like Zapier. By saving a business owner's time, you are providing immense value, and businesses are willing to pay a premium for this efficiency. Point 4. Digital product scaling. Finally, let's talk about digital products. You can use AI to write ebooks, create online courses, or even develop specialized prompts for others to use. Once you create a digital product using AI, you can sell it repeatedly on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. This is the definition of passive income. The AI revolution is here, and it's time for you to take the lead. Start with one of these points today, and keep following AI Vision Official Pro for more step-by-step guides. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to join our community of future-ready entrepreneurs. Let's build the future together.